This podcast is sponsored by Ripple Effects, Transforming Tiny Traumas by PJ Victor. Discover the power of healing small wounds. Purchase now at pjvictorwriter.com.
Pet therapy in hospitals, boosting emotional strength and stress management. Discover how pet therapy in hospitals enhances coping strategies, emotional strength, and psychological resilience for patients and staff alike. How pet therapy in hospitals can brighten days and boost healing. Hospitals can be really tough places. People come in feeling scared, anxious, or simply drained from dealing with their health challenges. Over the years, I've seen how introducing pets into hospital settings has brought something truly special. Not just a distraction, but genuine emotional support that impacts recovery. Let me tell you about pet therapy in hospitals and why it's becoming such an essential part of patient care. Pet therapy, sometimes called animal assisted therapy, involves trained therapy animals visiting patients to provide comfort, companionship, and a little bit of joy. Think of a friendly dog, a calm cat, or even a small furry animal like a rabbit making rounds on hospital floors. These animals aren't just cute visitors, they have a measurable impact on patients' well being. When you're stuck in a hospital room, dealing with pain, uncertainty, or long procedures, it's easy to feel isolated and overwhelmed. Animals have this incredible way of helping patients cope with those feelings. The simple act of petting a dog or watching a calm bird can lower stress levels, reduce anxiety, and even ease pain. It's amazing how something so small can support people in developing emotional strength and psychological resilience during their toughest moments. Hospitals that integrate pet therapy programs find that patients often demonstrate better coping strategies. This is partly because interacting with animals helps patients focus on the present moment, which is a powerful form of stress management. When you shift your attention from your worries to the soft fur of a dog or the gentle purring of a cat, it creates a sense of calm and comfort that can't be overstated. But it's not only the patients who benefit. Hospital staff, nurses, and even family members feel the uplift. It's no secret that healthcare workers operate in high stress environments, and pet therapy offers them a moment to reset and reclaim their own mental fortitude. The presence of animals positively influences the atmosphere on the floor, making the hospital environment more humane and less clinical. What truly fascinates me is how pet therapy builds emotional intelligence among patients. Many have to manage complicated feelings around their illness, and animals help bridge the gap between those emotions and the human connections that can sometimes be difficult to make in a sterile hospital setting. The unconditional love and acceptance from a therapy pet remind people that they are seen and valued without judgment. And the effects don't stop there. This ripple effect can transform tiny traumas experienced in hospital stays into moments of joy and healing. There's even an insightful book that captures this beautifully called Ripple Effects Transforming Tiny Traumas. It explains how small positive experiences, like a visit from a therapy pet, create lasting impacts on emotional health and recovery. If you want to learn more about nurturing emotional strength through everyday kindness, I highly recommend checking it out. Purchase the book now. It's a refreshing read that sheds light on these gentle but powerful healing forces. So, next time you hear about pet therapy programs in hospitals, remember it's not just about the cuteness factor. It's about building a supportive environment that acknowledges emotional needs alongside physical treatment. These furry therapists lend more than their paws. They provide a bridge to hope, resilience, and emotional well being for everyone involved. Whether you're a patient, caregiver, medical professional, or just someone curious about improving healthcare support systems, recognizing the value of pet therapy is crucial. It reminds us that healing is holistic: mind, body, and spirit. And sometimes the best medicine comes in the form of a wagging tail or a comforting purr. Thanks for sticking with me through this. I truly believe pet therapy is one of those wonderful ideas that more people should know about and support.